Have you seen a mountain yam whipped into a pancake like it was born to rise? If you've ever wandered into a Japanese cafe or fallen down a Tokyo brunch rabbit hole on Instagram, you've probably seen those dreamy cloud-soft pancakes with crispy edged waffles with a gooey center. And while a lot of Westerners rely on egg whites, in Japan there's another unsung hero behind that jiggly texture: mountain yam, also known as Nagaimo. This root veg has been used in a lot of savory dishes like okonomiyaki, tororo, and now we're starting to see it pop up in a lot of sweets. Thanks to its naturally sticky, airy texture, it acts like a built-in binder, making it ideal for pancakes and waffles that don't compromise on fluff. And just so you know, it's fully vegan if you skip the butter. I talked more about why I love cooking with mountain yams in my previous blog post. Definitely give it a read. Today we're turning these yams into golden fluffy pancakes with 0 egg. One slimy vegetable with a pure cafe satisfaction. Start by grating your mountain yam. Whip it in a stand mixer on high for 10 minutes until it's light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, mix together all your dry ingredients. Add the soy milk into the dry mix and stir until it gets smooth. Now take your whipped mountain yam and gently fold it. Don't over mix it, you want to keep that airy lift. Preheat your nonstick pan over medium-low. Place your ring molds in the pan and lightly oil them up. Fill the batter until it's halfway up or 3/4 of the way in. Add 2 tablespoons of water to the pan outside the mold and cover with a lid. Let it steam, no peeking. After 3 to 4 minutes, take the lid off, gently flip it over and cook it for another 3 minutes. Add your butter in and cook both sides for about 2 minutes each or until it's nice and golden brown. Stack them up, drizzle on maple syrup, add a dusting of matcha or kinako if you're into it, or just keep it classy. Lift, texture, and a little bit of magic in every bite. And for the full recipe, check out my Substack. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. What would you make with these mountain yams? Comment below. では、いただきます。美味しいね。ごちそうさまでした。